The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
See it here? Nobody know in my vehicle. Nobody know in my vehicle. See it there? I'm at a bus stop. What's your name, sir?
Constable Lindsay.
Constable what?
Lindsay.
Constable Lindsay. Documents them here. Documents them up to date. What was that?
Thank you, sir.
Same I go take away my vehicle. I mean, I have no passenger.
Eh? You want to come over here, sir? Can I see the camera?
No, you're not, me not finished. When we get back my documents, me turn off the camera.
Huh? Yeah, we talk, yeah.
Man has no boss.
What is it? No, you ever seen what?
What about that? I drive go down at the station, because I talk about him, I go see his vehicle. So I make sure drive go down at the station. Me I go down at the station, me dey down at the station. Me I go down at the station. Drive go down at the station.
Viewers and subscribers, some of the times I wonder what would happen if there was no camera phones to video record what's going on. You see me I say? Yeah, some of the times I wonder that when I see certain videos on social media. You see me? Yeah, and I respect the way how the driver of the taxi shown in the video try to make sure that he's in the right. You see me? Yeah, try to make sure that he's on the right side of the law. You understand? Yeah, man, I respect that. You see me I say? Alright, so the video I just presented to you, that video had been recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. But however, that video shows what happened after a person who was driving a taxi got pulled over by the police within the country of Jamaica. You see? You can let me know what you think about that video, alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. But before I present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that this video is about when the police within the country of Jamaica shut down an illegal party somewhere within the country of Jamaica. It is said that somehow the police within the country of Jamaica found out that an illegal party was being held somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You see? If you listen to the video, you might get an understanding as to where this happened. You see me? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. Alright? But I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in the video. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Make sure say catch that the party are sold here address number everything. So in the so them have to party. Sir Watson. Along Slap Road. Where them sell party ice. There's a party keeping here, you know. Yes. The amount of people with the outers, so we stop right in there with us, so turn on the flashing lights.
I would like to say this to each and everyone out there. See, I know that the COVID-19 pandemic had caused many persons to feel bored and so forth, you know, having to stay home and, you know, can't go to parties and enjoy themselves and so forth. You understand me? But you see, I would like to encourage persons out there to realize that this COVID-19 thing is no joke. You understand me? Now, I know that it caused a lot of inconvenience, but at the same time, we have to think about our health. You see me? We have to think about our health. Now, when I'm saying these things, you know, I hope that no one don't feel as if I'm trying to disrespect anyone, you know. You see me? No, that is not my intention behind some of the things that I'm saying or some of the things that I said. I'm trying to point it out that we should try our best to see if we can do the right thing, you know, to protect ourselves from the COVID-19, you see me, because this pandemic is not a joking thing. You see me, I said to you? That's all me I say still. But big up and respect to everyone, you see me? Alright, anyways, you know, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, alright? And I'm going to move on to another topic, you see me? Now, this picture that you see right here, viewers and subscribers, right? Yeah, this picture, I want to ask you 2 questions about that picture. You understand? Because this picture is circulating on social media where it is said that the picture shows a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Alkaline. You see me? Yeah. Now, listen now, viewers and subscribers. I take a good look at the picture. And I'm not so sure that this picture actually shows Alkaline, and I'm not saying that the picture don't show Alkaline, you know. You see me? It's just that you have persons out there who look like persons. Now, if this picture actually shows Alkaline, viewers and subscribers, I'm asking you, do you think that this picture had been edited to look a certain way? You see me? And I'm also going to ask you, my viewers and subscribers, if this picture actually shows the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Alkaline. Alright? Let me know what you think, alright? Alright, now before I end this video, viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to you about a video that is circulating on social media, and that video shows a person's hands. Yes, I said to you. Now, viewers and subscribers, on a real though, I am wondering why this video got a little buzz on social media by just someone showing their hands. You understand me? Now, I agree that you have different shapes of hands out there. So I said to you, yeah, and you know, you have certain features on some person's hands out there. But at the same time, it's not the first time I saw someone's hands looking like the hands shown in the video that I'm presenting to you right here. It's not the first time. You see me I say? So that's one of the reasons why I'm wondering why this video got a little buzz on social media. You see me I said to you? Yeah, and some things have been said in the background of the video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? I can't really present some of the things that have been said in the background of the video because of copyright reasons and because of certain inappropriate things that have been said. You see me I say? Well, anyways, you know, you can let me know why you think this video got a little buzz on social media. Is what I'm saying to you. Alright? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Alright, be safe. You see what I'm saying to you? Wear your mask, wash your hands, and do the necessary things to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19. You see what I say? Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.